Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Kylie. Learn English in easy ways. Today, I am going to tell you a story. And this is not just any story. This is a real story.
A real story? About whom?
About a boy. A boy who was just like us.
Now I am interested. Tell me what happened to him.
His name was John. John was 26 years old. But he was very confused in life.
Confused? Why?
Because he didn't know what to do. He had no clear direction. He used to think every day, what should I do in life? When will I become successful? He saw people around him growing. His friends were getting jobs. Some were earning money. But John felt stuck.
That hurts.
Yes, and the worst part was, he started comparing himself with others.
Comparison is dangerous.
Exactly. It slowly kills your confidence. During the day, he smiled with people. But at night, he felt empty. He used to lie on his bed, thinking, overthinking. Sometimes, he even questioned himself, am I a failure?
That is really painful.
One day, something changed. He looked at himself in the mirror and asked, will I stay like this forever? Or will I try one last time?
That question is powerful.
Yes. And that day, he made a decision. He said to himself, I don't need a perfect plan. I just need to start. I will start small. But I will start today.
That's brave.
So John started. Not big. Not perfect. Just small steps. Every day, he learned something. He worked a little. Days passed. Nothing happened. Weeks passed. Still nothing.
This is the hardest part.
Yes. This is where most people quit. But John didn't quit. He kept going, even when he saw no results. And then, something started changing. Not a big success, but small improvements. He felt better, more confident, more hopeful.
That's beautiful.
He realized something important. Success is not always big. Sometimes, success is waking up with hope. Success is trying again without fear. Success is not giving up.
That's a real success.
So, if you are feeling lost, if you're confused, if you think you are behind in life, just remember one thing. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to take the first step. Because a small start can change your whole life.
That was really beautiful. I think many people needed to hear this.
If you like this story,
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.
we will see you in the next story.